Morning, everyone. It's 8:35 on Thursday morning, the 8th, and since it's Thursday, it's claims day. And we have initial claims going in the wrong direction. Last week, they were 716, I believe. Pardon me, this week they're 744,000, and that is up from an expectation of 719. So clearly in the wrong direction. I just heard Steve Leisman trying to explain away the fact that this is not good news by saying that he didn't understand it. I'm not going to get into that today, but it's really not something that you can explain away. Okay, earnings today and last night. Costco beat both top and bottom line, but the stock is only up $1.54 or less than 0.5%. ConAgra beat both top and bottom line. Currently $37.64, up 40 cents. And Constellation Brands beat both top and bottom line, but gave some kind of squishy guidance, and so the earnings are really not doing anything for the stock. It's $236.02, and that's up $1.08, which is about less than 0.5%. And GameStop up $7 at $185. Not earnings, simply mentioning the election of a new chairman for the board. These are things they should have done 5 years ago, but I guess they're slowly getting around to it. The Nikkei News put out a note this morning that there was Apple, for their Macs and iBooks, were going to be negatively impacted by the chip shortage. And Robinhood, who is about to go public with a traditional IPO, is trying to raise more money ahead of that. I don't really know what that's about, but I guess they're looking to do one last private round and jerk their implied value a little higher. Okay, the futures really did very little on the unemployment news. The Dow was about flat. It's down 13 right now. The NASDAQ is really the star. It's up 120, and it was up about 120 before that. And a little bit more in line with that, the S&P is up 14 or so. So that's where we are as far as pre-opening comments. The chart on the screen here is the gold. I've been talking about it, the 5-day crossing 2.5 days ago to the upside, the moving averages. I've been looking for a close above this 1741. We got very close to there yesterday. Last night we closed 1741.6. This number was 1743. I'm sorry. But today we're solidly through that, up here at 1749 and change. This looks like it may break a slight downtrend, but more importantly, looking at the chart, not on a minute-by-minute basis, you see the low here in early March in the range of 1673. Then we have the rally that failed, but we have a higher low here. We're consolidating. This was a running consolidation. I think that if we can close anywhere near up here, where we are now, not where I had the pointer, then we'll probably be looking at 1775 or more. So that's about $25 from where we are now before it really runs into any supply. Basically we broke in here at that same level, 1762, and just collapsed almost 100 points. So I'm kind of bullish here. We are long the silver, and on the basis of that, excuse me, as I pointed out pretty continuously, the silver did not have the same kind of downward slope to the chart. It has been consolidating across in this $24 area. The chart looks similar. It has a little bit more work to do, but as far as a downtrend, it's a little bit less protracted. Let me see where we can draw this trend line. So on that, we're actually breaking to the upside. All right, everyone, have a good day. I'll be back later with the closing comment unless there's anything special going on. By the way, the oil is down again a little, not very much, and it was showing that it was down in consideration of the gasoline having a big surge in supply. What's interesting here is of all of the complex, gasoline is actually up 0.7 cents. All right, everyone. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Have a good one.